Disconnected youth. The San Diego Workforce Partnership describes this as young people who are not in school and who are also not working. The organization has teamed up with youth advocates for a summit to address the needs of the thousands of San Diegans identified as belonging to this population. And here to talk more about the issue in the summit is Josue Hernandez. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
So, Josue, who are these disconnected youth?
Disconnected youth are opportunity youth. Opportunity youth is an umbrella term that we use to categorize people who are disconnected in the sense that they're not working or going to school. This could cover foreign foster youth, this could cover homeless youth, this could also cover CSEC, sexually exploited children. So it covers a large base of this demographic of opportunity youth, but allowing us to have this definition and allows us to serve the San Diego community as a whole.
And how significant is this population? I understand there was a 2018 study. What did it find?
Yeah, so it found that there are around 37,000 opportunity youth in San Diego. And to put that into perspective, that's around the size of Petco Park. So you could fill up a stadium of opportunity youth in San Diego.
What are the contributing factors causing this population to not be in school and also to not find work?
Basically, it's a leaky pipeline. Somebody in San Diego has failed them. Like it could be an institution, it could be a system in the county, or just another system in itself. But somebody around has failed them, and what we're trying to do is bring all these community partners at the summit, the Opportunity Summit, together so that we could create some solutions to this issue.
And can we talk about your personal experience as a disconnected youth?
Yeah, so I grew up in San Diego. I grew up throughout San Diego. I spent a large portion of my childhood in foster care, and I've also experienced the juvenile system. I've also experienced some light homelessness, so I understand a lot of the barriers to entry. On my way to this interview, I actually ran into an opportunity youth that I've helped in the past. So I'm just a good advocate in the community that is really trying to make San Diego a better place.
In adding to that personal perspective, if someone has experienced homelessness, for instance, can we talk about how that adds to the complications of trying to find employment and trying to enroll in school? What barriers are there?
If you are an opportunity youth experiencing homelessness, you tend to sleep during the day, and employers may not understand that.
And for the 37,000 youth in San Diego County estimated to be disconnected, of course, that's impacting them immediately, but what's the implication for the rest of the community, for these thousands of people to be disconnected?
Yeah, so as they progress in their adult trajectory, they become prone to be chronically disconnected. So that means that they're more likely to stay homeless, they're more likely to stay unemployed, and that later they just use public funds to support them. So if we're not helping them now, we'll eventually pay for that through tax dollars. So we could do a good job now and then make our communities more productive, more efficient, safer, and we'll eventually pay for it later through other means.
And I saw that this summit has a focus on youth in East County. Why so?
So East County is one of the 3 communities that has had an increase of opportunity youth, East County being one of the largest ones that's seen a good amount of growth in disconnect, and also National City, West Chula Vista, and the southern part of District 8.
So tell us a bit more about the summit. What will be happening and what's the goal?
So the Opportunity Summit has been around for 3 years. This is the 3rd year, and we're trying to create more solutions around what policy needs to be changed. A program is only alive for the amount that the grant allows it to be alive, but a policy is more something that could create institutional change, and that's something that we're hoping to spark through this summit.
Josue, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.